Now I'm gonna write this YouTube function. First, I need to slip the sentence into list of words. So it's words is equal to sentence slipped. And reversing each word and creating a new list of words. So it's new words is equal to word and for words in words. And join the new list of words. Its new sentence is equal to join new words and return it. And I'm gonna run this code. It's and run it.